Banish boredom all year long with one book, The Highlights Almanac of Fun. Kids of every age get to explore 365 days of hands-on activities, wacky holidays, laugh-out-loud jokes, and all-around fun. With hundreds of colorful pages, the Almanac of Fun is an easy way to make every day interesting while also inspiring curiosity. Expertly designed to combine learning with play, this book cleverly helps kids build skills, boost confidence, and learn facts for school, all while having aha moments. Families can grow together by discovering unique traditions from around the world, celebrating unusual holidays like National Popcorn Day, and even recording their very own 2022 memories and milestones. The Highlights Almanac of Fun encourages joyful learning for the whole family and was honored in 2021 by Mom's Choice Awards and Parents' Choice Fun Stuff Award. Get ready for all-in-one fun!